Oriri miako itiganite iri irerikana yakitwo kuri itagirire ithiete na mbere kumomorwo guku kaunti-ini ya Nairobi na President Uhuru Kenyatta augite no hindi mutaratara ucio uranjiriria. Akiaria hindi ya kuhingura nyumba iria riu niyo ndaya makiria bururi-ini iri na ngorofa 34 mwena wa Upper Hill guku Nairobi. President augite miako yothe iria yakitwo mugaru na watho no ikumomorwo.
We are now in the process, as he has said, of demolishing properties that have been built on riparian land along our riverbeds, and we will continue to do so, as the governor has said. We will continue to do so.
Nairobi floods because land that used to absorb stormwater has been turned into concrete.
No President augite uhoro ucio nduguthirira umomori-ini, akiuga aria othe makuruhanitio na kuhitukia waki wa miako iyo ni megutacukirio makinya ma kiwatho.
So I want to assure you that we are going after all those who issued those permits. Those ones will be prosecuted.
We are also going after grabbed land that had been set aside for public utilities, including markets, schools, hospitals, and children's playgrounds.
Macio marathie na mbere oriri onjoria nyumba-ini ya biashara ya UK Center mwena wa Westlands mathiete na mbere guthama thutha wa nyumba ino gutuika onayo ni ikumomorwo tondu yakitwo iguru wa rui rwa Nairobi.
They said they want to demolish the building and the landlord said us to remove everything, your things outside before they come to demolish the building.
Why didn't they do that a couple of years ago or 10 years ago, 15 years ago? Why now? To me, it doesn't make sense. It's a total ridiculous.
No mari mbere ya kamiti ya maria maturigicĩirie bunge-ini, arugamiriri a UK Center marauga mena marua mothe maria mabatarĩkĩte muira wa kwanjĩrĩria gwaka nyumba ino iria yakirwo miaka 26 mithiru.
We have invested money, that property is worth more than 1 billion shillings, and we are just playing around with psychology. Today I had to bring my wife together with me because if I collapse here, she could at least take me home.
Kahindĩ-inĩ kau arugamiriri a nyumba ino ni mahandĩte cira igoti-ini makienda kugiria umomori wa nyumba ino. Umomori wa nyumba na miako iria yakitwo iguru na kuhimakiria na njuu itiganite kaunti-ini ya Nairobi ugithiaga na mbere. Riu wagweterera kuoneka ni kana macira maria mahandĩtwo igoti-ini kurigiriria umomori uyu ni meguteithiriria kuhonokia miako ta ino. Maina wa Wairigi, Inooro TV, Itooro-ini ria Westlands, Nairobi.